Hi, and welcome to the premiere episode of Carson's Kitchen. Yay! My name is Carson Chen. I am a dietetic student at the University of Hawaii at Manoa, and today I'm going to be teaching you a very delicious and simple dish. It's called oven-baked chicken thighs with a side salad that's been made with honey mustard dressing. We're going to get started, but first things first, let's wash our hands. And this will be the ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe. So for our dressing, you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1.5 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, and then we have our salad, which is going to be a bunch of spinach, a half a cup of tomatoes, a half a cup of carrots, a half a cup of celery, and then we have our chicken, which is going to be 4 chicken thighs. We have some fresh cracked pepper, some Hawaiian sea salt, and we also have enough flour so we can dredge our chicken in. All these items that you can find them at either your local grocery store or you can find them a bit cheaper at your local farmer's market. Alright, so we're going to get started on our chicken. First things first, you're going to want to put your oven at 425 degrees. This way when we're ready with the chicken, we can just stick it in and we don't have to wait for it to preheat. Then we're going to get our chicken and we're going to cut off any extra fat or any extra skin that we might have on the chicken. I already did a couple of these just for time constraints. Just want to get any excess fat, that way the dish is a little bit healthier. That, and also it creates a little bit of even cooking time when we have our chicken. After that, you're going to get your chicken and you want to put it in the flour just so it can coat it. Pat it so that we can get any excess flour out of it, and then stick it in the next pan. Just do that with all the other ones that you got. The great thing about this dish is that if you can't think of anything that you want to eat for dinner, you can just get these real quick out of the freezer, and then it's just super simple. It takes about an hour just to cook it. Alright, after flouring, we're going to get our salt and pepper, and you're going to first salt the top. Then get your pepper. A lot of people like to put their salt and their pepper inside the flour and just mix it all together, but it tends to have uneven seasoning all around the chicken, and I just like to do this better because what I learned is you want to season the chicken and not the flour. Okay, after that's ready, we're just going to stick it in the oven. Alright, now that the chicken is in the oven, we're going to leave it in there for 45 minutes and we're going to get started on our salad. First things first though, you're going to want to wash your hands again, and you're going to want to wash the cutting board. We just cut some raw chicken and we don't want to spread anything like salmonella around. So, we have for our salad, all we're going to do is just mix the salad real quick first. So get your spinach and just dump it into the bowl. I got fresh salad and it has these stems still on it. You don't really need the stems, but I just like it in there because it adds a little bit of texture to it. If you want to make it a little fancier, you can kind of put it in different sections. Make it pretty, make it fancy. And show you little corners and see where everything is. Alright, and then we're going to get ready on the dressing. And now we're going to do our dressing. It's super easy, you just got to mix everything together in the bowl. The great thing about this dressing too is it can also double as a dip for parties. And it's also quite healthy too. You see, normally dressings are made out of 3 parts. It's normally 3 parts oil, 1 part a type of acid, so like vinegar or something, and also 1 part of a binder. So binders are normally something like mustard or eggs. For my binder, I'm going to use mustard. For my acid, I have the lemon juice. And I also have the yogurt to replace the oil. It adds a little bit more protein to the mix, and also makes it a little bit more healthier because it has less fat than oil. Then all I gotta do is mix it until it makes a good consistency and all the ingredients are mixed together. The honey really is just there for taste. It makes it sweeter and makes it taste better. Okay, our chicken timer just went off. So what we're going to do now is we're going to set it to broil. and then we're gonna have it on the timer for 15 minutes. We're doing this so that it has a nice brown coating on top of it. And then while it's in there, we're gonna get some of the chicken grease and we're gonna put it on top of the chicken. That way it helps in browning the chicken. So the chicken is almost done, let's get ready with our salad. So you can use your hands, just remember to wash. Just grab a little bit of the ingredients. I have a lot of salad ingredients and not everybody likes the same dressing, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in each bowl. Get my spinach, my celery, my carrots, all the good vitamins that I have. Spinach is really great too because it has high in vitamins like vitamin K, vitamin A, which is great for healing wounds and just helping your body. All right. Oh, a little bit more. I'm a little hungry. Okay. Then we're gonna just pour some of our salad dressing on it. And again, mix your hands. Again, you can use some tongs or you can use a spatula or something. I just like using my hands because it's a little easier to move around the salad and make it, just coat it with the dressing. And our chicken is ready, yay! So now we're gonna get to plating. All we gotta do, get 1 piece of chicken. Careful, the pan is hot. Put it on the side over here. And then we're gonna get our salad. And we're just kinda lay it around the chicken. Don't wanna cover the chicken, just wanna lay it around. Get all the good bits on top. All right, it's all set. And we have our plated dish. Yay! Okay, I hope you guys learned something from this today. I hope it tastes really good and really delicious for you too. And maybe next time I can teach you guys how to make one of these things. All right, thank you, bye.